Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a plan with me in my print impression weeks. Going to be using this gorgeous foiled kit from Pink Polka Dot Lily. I've chosen to have it done in copper foil. That seems to be my fall foil. It is just beautiful. I've got this bottom washi. It's got everything you could possibly use for a plan in your print impression weeks, or if you use a B6 and you're a very white space planner, you can use this because you've got some 4 nice boxes, especially if you're a week on 2-page planners instead of 3 pages. So that's more than enough because you've got 5 full boxes in the sidebar. So let's go ahead and get started. Before I do, I'm a PR for the company, Pink Polka Dot Lily, and if you put Jody in notes, you'll receive this freebie. It's in copper foil. You can see a theme for fall. And use Jody 20 to save 20%. So let's get started. I'm going to put the bottom washi down first. That's how I usually do it. And sorry if you can hear, my neighbor outside has decided to vacuum his car the moment I start to film. So it's good that he's doing it. It keeps things nice and clean, but not the best time. Usually somebody's starting to cut the grass, but it's Friday and everybody's at work, so I consider myself lucky for that. Tomorrow when I film my recollections plan with me, I'm sure that somebody will be cutting the grass. Let's get the date covers down. How was your week going? Been pretty uneventful here. I switched doctors, so I had my first appointment with him. I'm really pleased with him. He's a nice guy. So that always makes a difference. I was with my previous doctor for 35 years and then he retired. So a little bit nerve-wracking finding somebody else. But like I said, I really like him. He seems very thorough. Well, that's my big news. It's so quiet around here. Nothing ever happens in where I live. That's probably a good thing. Very little, actually there's no crime. I don't remember last time anything happened around here. It's just such a peaceful place. Sad we don't have our fall fair this year because I usually volunteer for it. I know a lot of people are missing it. I think I talked about that in my last video. There, that's so pretty. And let's go get the sidebar in. Oops. I don't know how straight I'll get this. I'm not very close to my planner anymore with this lighting setup. And this habit tracker is so pretty. Good. Like this week header. Probably should have put it on top of that one. Pink Polka Dot Lily has got the prettiest kits. She's got the foiling is just stunning. Look at this pretty habit tracker with the little pattern in the back, which is of course foiled as well. There. That was pretty crooked, gotta say. I don't think I'm going to take it up again because that's tempting fate. And I'm sure that I will mess it up. I'm going to put a box for a highlight for the week. Just fill out the space. Okay, let's get the headers in because the last time I forgot to put my headers in, and these are the prettiest things. Looks so nice. Love the colors. Oops. I just placed another order This morning I did a little bit of online shopping, sticker shopping. Blew the budget, of course. A lot of them was stuff for my PR for the shops that I work with. It's always fun picking up new things. I ordered a new cover for my Recollections planner, a nice Christmas cover. The shop is only open once every few months, so I had my reminder set on my phone so that I wouldn't miss it. And I was able to snafu a Christmas cover. I almost ordered a fall one. I still might go back in and place another order because it's really pretty, the one I was looking at. However, it took a month for me to get it last time. So I'm thinking fall's going to be over by the time I get the cover. So it might not be sensible to buy it at this time. Maybe in the summer, next summer, it'll arrive in time. There, that's really pretty. Isn't that nice? Give it a little wiggle. See the sparkle? I don't know, everybody else does the bib wiggle and it does it so much better than me. Okay, let's put the hello one on Monday. Hello to the start of the week. There. And put this pretty sweater up here on Thursday. And let's do makeup on Wednesday. It was the prettiest flat lay. Even though I'm not a big makeup girl. Used to be. I'm not anymore. Let's go ahead and put one more in. On Saturday. There. Very pretty. Let's put some checklists in. Going on Tuesday. And that's $2 Tuesday, so I'm going to go ahead and put a box in as well. And that's for Pink Polka Dot Lily. She does $2 Tuesdays. And I'm going to put a checklist on Friday. On Friday, both Pink Polka Dot Lily and Simply Beautiful Plans have Foil Friday. Always a good deal to be had on those days. Pretty. And let's see. Sunday I will film and upload. And that's my Recollections plan with me. And Friday, which is today, I film and upload my BP Weeks. And then Saturday I'll probably film my Hobonichi and get that up as well. As you can see, I put mostly social media stuff in here. Actually, it's all social media. I find these checklists are just a little bit too long. They go into the boxes, and a shame because they're so pretty. So let's see, it's Monday morning. Let's do a Nope coffee mug for Coffee Monday. And then while I'm here, I track my Instagram and YouTube followers, so I can put that in. And I think that's it for the week that I can use for my freebie. So that's my plan with me. I think it turned out so pretty. Look at all that gorgeous foil. Well, thank you for visiting again. Thank you for coming and watching my videos. I always appreciate each and every one of you for doing that weekly. And please take a moment to like my video and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll see when my next video is up. You have a great day. Thanks. Bye now.